Ever felt that heart-sinking moment when you urgently need access to your saved funds, only to be met with a frustratingly long withdrawal process? We've all been there. It's like finally reaching the finish line of a marathon, only to find another mile marker staring you in the face. Today, we're tackling a question that's top of mind for many Moka users. How long does it really take to withdraw your hard-earned cash? Now, before we dive into the specifics of Moka withdrawals, let's quickly recap what Moka is for those who might be new to the platform. Moka is a popular micro-investing app that helps you save and invest small amounts of money regularly. It works by rounding up your everyday purchases and investing the spare change. Think of it as a digital piggy bank that not only stores your money but also works to grow it over time. This makes it a great entry point for those new to investing or those who want to save consistently without having to make large, upfront contributions. The beauty of Moka lies in its simplicity. It automates the saving process, making it effortless to build a nest egg. But, as with any investment or savings platform, the ability to access your funds when you need them is crucial. Nobody wants their money locked away indefinitely, especially in times of unexpected expenses or financial needs. So, let's get to the core of the matter. How long does it take to withdraw funds from Moka? The answer, like with many financial processes, isn't a single, definitive number. It depends on a few factors, which we'll break down for you. First, it's important to understand the different investment accounts Moka offers. Depending on your risk tolerance and financial goals, you might have your funds invested in various portfolios. These portfolios are typically made up of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, which are baskets of securities that track a specific market index. These ETFs are traded on the stock market, which means their value fluctuates. This also means that selling these ETFs to facilitate your withdrawal takes a little time. The most common withdrawal timeline on Moka is around 3 to 5 business days. This time frame covers several steps. When you initiate a withdrawal, Moka needs to sell your ETF shares on the market. This process isn't instantaneous. It takes time for the sale to execute and for the funds to settle. Once the sale is complete, Moka then transfers the money to your linked bank account. This transfer itself also takes a business day or two to process through the banking system. So, why the range of 3 to 5 business days? Several factors can influence the exact timing. Market conditions play a role. If the market is experiencing high volatility or low trading volume, it might take slightly longer to sell your ETFs at the desired price. The timing of your withdrawal request also matters. If you initiate a withdrawal late in the day or on a weekend, the processing won't begin until the next business day. Another factor to consider is the cutoff times for processing withdrawals. Moka, like most financial institutions, has specific cutoff times. If you submit your withdrawal request after this cutoff time, it will be processed the following business day, adding an extra day to the overall timeline. It's always a good idea to check Moka's website or app for their specific cutoff times to avoid any unexpected delays. Now, it's crucial to distinguish between the time it takes for Moka to process the withdrawal and the time it takes for the funds to appear in your bank account. Moka typically processes the withdrawal within 1 to 2 business days. The remaining time is usually taken up by the bank transfer. This bank transfer is outside of Moka's direct control and is subject to the processing times of your bank. To illustrate this with an example, let's say you request a withdrawal on a Monday morning. Moka might sell your ETFs on Tuesday and initiate the transfer to your bank on Wednesday. Depending on your bank's processing times, the funds could appear in your account on Thursday or Friday. It's also worth noting that Moka doesn't currently offer instant withdrawals. While some fintech platforms offer instant access to funds, Moka's investment structure, which involves selling ETFs on the market, makes this impossible. This isn't a drawback of Moka specifically, but rather a characteristic of investing in market-traded assets. So, what can you do to ensure a smooth and timely withdrawal process? First, plan ahead. If you know you'll need the funds by a specific date, initiate the withdrawal well in advance, giving yourself ample time for processing. Second, double-check your linked bank account details. Ensuring that your bank account information is accurate will prevent any delays or complications with the transfer. Third, be aware of market holidays. If a market holiday falls within the processing period, it can add an extra day to the timeline. Finally, if you experience any unexpected delays or have questions about your withdrawal, don't hesitate to contact Moka's customer support. They can provide you with updates on the status of your withdrawal and address any concerns you may have. To summarize, withdrawing funds from Moka typically takes 3 to 5 business days. This time frame is influenced by factors such as market conditions, the timing of your request, and your bank's processing times. While instant withdrawals aren't currently available, understanding the process and planning ahead can help you access your funds efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.